rid of your here. Okay. Hi, kitten. So now later. Oh, very scampy. All right, I'll do this. I'm impressed that they all use the litter boxes. That's very good. Ooh, it's a little smushy. Okay. Kitten, hello. How are you this morning? You guys are probably ready for your breakfast. What's your breakfast? Okay, now. There's a kitten in there. 1, 2, 3. Is there one in here? Oh, there's one in there too. Okay, that's everybody. That's good. Oops. Hi there. That's all we need to do. Of course, my tape is in a box somewhere, so I need to find it, I guess. All right, I'll be back. There's a kitten in this box. Oh. Oh. kittens. You're so brave. Okay. New bathroom, new challenges. But you know I'm always up for a challenge. There we go. Okay, good. Just trying to keep them out of the little crevices. There. Good. Famous last words. That should do it though. So this afternoon will be 24 hours that they've been here, or not that they've been here, but 24 hours since they're de-fleeing, at which point I will give them baths and clean up the room. So let's see here. I think it's time for breakfast for kittens. Hi, Mr. Oscar. This is Mr. Oscar. He was a little bit grumpy. Oh, you can see on his, I don't know actually, I can't tell. I can't see where the camera's pointing, so I'm trying to get it right. But you see on his little toes, little burns from standing in pee for so long. Just trying to make a little room so that I can sit down and have some kittens. Okay, and just in case someone does something adorable, we'll need some snuggles. Do you remember yesterday you got so brave? Where's my little brave one? Right here. We'll start with you. We'll start with you. And maybe we'll get some. Hi, Mr. Oscar. Oh, so cute. See, it's not so bad. Remember, people aren't so bad, and they have fun things like breakfast. I know you like breakfast. Kittens. Who wants breakfast? They had fun yesterday, but they forgot. They forgot all the fun they had last night. So we have to remind them that they're safe now and going to be having fun. And here, have some breakfast. Look, Breakfast. There you go. See if the others will come off for breakfast sounds. Oscar, what do you think? It's breakfast time. Are we ready for breakfast? If you're in a fish bed, I can pull you closer. Come here. Come here, little kitten. All right, so in case you missed it, these kittens were found in the bottom of a trash can. I think I just posted a photo of them in the trash can on Facebook, facebook.com/tinykittens. So the photo of them in the trash can posted. Kitten, oh kitten, come here, kitten. That's the scale box. You would like that someday. So and the story is also posted there. They had been in the trash can for long enough to be soaked in their own pee and cold and filthy and then fleas. Hi, who's doing squeaky squeaks? Who wants breakfast? Doesn't someone want breakfast? No, breakfast is so good. Breakfast. And the handyman over at Anders & Co. is actually the one who found them. And thankfully, he knew exactly what to do and took them right to laps, rushed them over to laps. Oh, look who came out, Mr. Oscar the Grouch. Hello, how are you doing this morning? Oh, there we go, that's better. Tail up is better. See, he remembered. You remembered that you like people. Oh, purring. Now I get purrs. See, it's not so bad. People are not so bad. So they've had a pretty rough couple of days, and then they got to laps, and of course we had to bathe them because they were just filthy and just crusty and just awful. You are a girl. And so that, it was just like a little more trauma to their already traumatic couple of days. So they've been separated from mom suddenly and then put in a garbage can where they didn't even have room to move. They had terrible, terrible fleas. And I don't know if you guys have ever, I'm sure many of you have given a bath to a kitten with fleas, and they just, you just see them come out of the fur, especially with white fur. Oh, it's just awful. I hate seeing those fleas feeding on my poor little kittens. So we give them something called Capstar, which starts killing the fleas within minutes. And we also give them Revolution for worms and fleas and ear mites. So they should be feeling a lot better. And they were, of course, hungry, but they were pretty terrified. So there was lots of hissing. Who's gonna be brave and have breakfast? So we gave them we don't usually bathe kittens because it's stressful and, oh my gosh, poor little tummy. It's stressful for them and they can get cold very easily. But in a situation like this, we had to bathe them, and I'm going to have to bathe them again this afternoon. I wanted to wait 24 hours for the flea medicine to get absorbed. And so, but they still have I don't know if I'll show you this. I don't know if the camera will focus, but you can see there's just so much flea dirt in there. still. That's after first bath. We didn't give them like a really extended scrub because we're trying to we're doing triage basically. So today they'll get more bathing. They'll probably be whiter. They're still a little bit reddish. You're so cute. Oh, purring. And you probably will also notice their tummies are pretty bloated from parasites. Hi. Oh, hello. I don't know if you can hear the purring. So all the fleas should be dead within 24 hours, or like 98% of the fleas are dead within 24 hours. So we should be nearing that point. It was, I don't know what time it was, probably around 3. Hi there, you're so cute. See, you forget you hiss at me when I first come in because you forget that I'm nice. But then you remembered. You remembered then. Yes, you did. Oh, very cute. Very cute. Aren't you? Did you have enough for breakfast? Your little friends are coming to have breakfast too. So yeah, they're in this bathroom until they get more confident, because they'll feel safer in a smaller space, and also so that I can clean it because there are flea carcasses everywhere, and potentially flea eggs and just gross things that I want to be able to clean. So I will be washing all the bedding and cleaning and. Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. Do you hear the purring? Yes, you have a good motor. You have a good motor, don't you? Yes, you do have a good motor. I know, you're so cute. You did not get enough love. Is your love tank empty? It is, isn't it? Fine. Now go tell your little friends to come over here. This one's a girl without the collar. Oh, hello, you're gonna go have some food? It's okay. Yes, be brave. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up and deliver you to the foods. Right there, it's foods. The foods are right there. You want some breakfast? Some breakfast. It remains to be seen whether they will develop upper respiratory infections or anything like that. Often the stress of being weaned suddenly will weaken their immune system enough to let any germs they've been exposed to grow. So often they'll get sick, like if they'll be perfectly healthy with mom and then they'll be separated and then suddenly they'll get all sorts of things. But we will just have to see what happens. And they did have a little bit of, crusty eyes and a little bit of nose crust, but that wouldn't be unusual under the circumstances. I haven't heard any sneezes, which is good. So we'll just see what happens. See, breakfast is so good. So we definitely will have some deworming ahead of us for sure. Hi. Oh, we've got some worms. The mom was not found. I'm assuming, I don't know what happened. You know, we never know, but I'm assuming someone put the kittens in the garbage can, either hoping they would be found or, you know, just hoping to get rid of them. It was one of those bus, you know, at the bus station they have the like, it's like a half circle trash can that tapers at the bottom, so it's narrower at the bottom. They have those like strapped to a pole or whatever. That's what it was. Hello. Hey, we can get some kibbles. Do you want some water? Do you want some water? Hi, how are you doing? There's water for you? Oh, your little tummy is so bloated. Oh my goodness. Who else is going to be brave? Where's Blue Collar? Hi. Hi, Oscar. So I was thinking that I wasn't going to be bringing um, cat or kittens home till the roundup on Saturday. So I'm not, didn't have anything really prepared. So I will have to set up a weight chart and do all that stuff. Update the website. You're so cute, aren't you? What's that in your eye? Oh, eye goop. Eye goop. They're gonna look much better after their baths. They're still pretty crusty on their faces. Oh my goodness. It's okay. What do you think, kittens? What do you think? So we think they're between 5 and 6 weeks. Hello, come here. Oh, so cute. What's this? Oh, what's this that I have? What is that? I'm going to try to get my scale set up again. I took some of the collars off because I don't know if you can see that, but all those black spots are dead fleas that got stuck in the Velcro. So I'm going to be throwing those out because that's gross. I think the mom's okay. I think just that people didn't want kittens for whatever reason. That happens quite often. Um, but you can tell the body condition of the kittens is good. So they were, the mom was feeding them, or they were being fed, and you assume that if if they had required bottle feeding, that they wouldn't have ended up in a trash can. Like someone who puts them in a trash can isn't going to take the time to bottle feed them. So I'm assuming that mom was around and did a good job feeding them because they're all relatively healthy considering they're not like super skinny. They're not as fat as I like plump kittens, but so they're not like super fat. But it's been a couple of days probably since they've eaten. So all in all, we see a lot of people who want to keep their cat, but they can't afford to get them spayed, and then they get pregnant, and then they don't know what to do with the kittens, but they want to keep the cat. So I don't know. It's hard to know. It's impossible to know. Let's see if we can. Let's see if this will work. Oh, get it. Where's blue collar? Blue collar kitten has not had its breakfast yet. They're pretty adorable though. Yes, Lori is correct that floof often masks malnutrition, and a lot of times we'll get floofy kittens and they'll have the bloated tummies from worms, so they look like they're full, but then when you touch them you feel their little bones. And I mean, I can definitely feel their bones, but it's not anything alarming by any means. So they have good body condition, which is good. They're just really you can see this little purple one. The other girl, she almost looks pregnant, like she's shaped like she's about to give birth, which hopefully will get better. New food, suddenly not nursing, stress, all that stuff contributes to their little tummies not functioning ideally. So hopefully in a couple of days they will be feeling better in that regard. Get it. Breakfast. So 2 girls, 3 boys. The white ones all appear to be flame point, some sort of Siamese type of thing. Pointed at least. So there'll be ginger on their ears and nose and tails and toes. Oh, good. Cute. I see you peeking out from up there. I see you. Oh, a little hiss. I got a little hiss. Oscar. Oscar hissed at it too. Oscar. What are you doing? Oh, so cute. Where's Mr. Blue? Mr. Blue needs to come out. Mr. Blue. Get it. Oh, get it. You're so cute. Once everything's clean, I'll put a tent in here, and I bet they'll have some fun with that. I bet they'll have fun with tents. Oh, hi, baby. Come to see me. That's very brave of you. That's very brave of you. I will give you plenty of the snuggles. Oh, there's that little purr. Where are you going? You're so busy. Got places to be. Oh. Oh. That's exciting. right. All right, gotta go. Gotta go. We may be having some TV interviews, so that means I've got to get things ready. Oh, enjoy the game.